you ever have the experience when you go to a restaurant and you order the food? The waiter usually asks you, do you have any food restrictions? Or maybe you have your own preference on how exactly would you want the food to be. You may not know how to answer them. All you want is to have a great experience. So on this video, I will going to share with you a way how you can specifically say how you want it and what you cannot have, so that we can avoid a dreadful experience in enjoying your meal. So let's start. 酸、甜、苦、辣. Have you heard those words before? So let's start with the first one. 酸 sour. Next is 甜 sweet. 苦 bitter. 辣 spicy. You probably heard this before. When there will be spicy food. Nowadays, there are levels of how much spicy you want it to be. It depends on which part of the world you are. For Chinese food, there are a lot of different spicy food, and most popular type is called 麻辣. So 麻辣 means slightly spicy. 中辣 medium spicy. 重辣 heavy spicy. You may be thinking, why is that medium spicy and heavy spicy sound similar? Here is the difference. Medium spicy is the first one, and the heavy spicy is the fourth one. So which level spicy you can eat? The next word is 新鲜. That means fresh. And the opposite word is 不新鲜. That means freshness. 腐烂 rot. And 油腻的 greasy. 咸的 salt. And 淡的 light. 重口味的 heavy flavor. 麻辣 pungent and spicy. 酸辣 sour and spicy. 少油 less oil. 少盐 less salt. 少糖 less sugar. 无糖 sugar free. 无油 without oil. 脱脂 degrease. 生的 raw. And next, when you go Western restaurant, when you order a steak, they will ask you, 你要几分熟? How would you like your steak? And you can say, 生的 raw. 五分熟 medium well. 全熟 well done. So, how would you like your steak? Sometimes this question will be asked, 请问你有什么忌口吗? Do you have any food restrictions? 你有什么忌口吗? 忌口 food restrictions. That means avoid certain food or flavors. If you have any food restrictions, you can tell the staff, 请帮我少油，谢谢. Please put less oil. Thank you. Okay, so tell me, what have you learned? If this video has helped you, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please hit the subscriber bell button below. Or if you have any suggestive topics on our upcoming videos, please tell me, because we will create for you. And if you know anyone can benefit from our videos, please share with them so that we can help more and more Chinese students on their Chinese learning goal. And I will see you on our next videos. Bye bye.